how to fix the stuck piston. As you can probably see, this piston is not moving, so I have to fix it. Alright, so first thing we need to do is remove this handle. There you go. Handle's been done. More. Take that this way. This will allow us to get access to the pistons. Put these closing knobs on it. We're ready now to remove this supporter. Yep. Finally, move this forward using those two screws first, and then putting this forward in the same place. Without able to release those two pistons. You can just have a look on the condition, how they look. Okay. You need to just use slightly force. Like in this case, I use a mallet, rubber mallet, and release this in the place where it's stuck. So try now using pliers to completely remove it. Okay, we've got this bad boy now, and what can we see in here? There's a slightly as you can see, there's a washer there, and yeah, all I had to do is just a little bit cleaning, oiling, put some oil, and this is the next part when I fit in all the bits and pieces together into the floor jack. So first of all, spring, and put it into the place, do some pushes, make sure it's in place, take this one off, and again clean it and put it on the right place. Just once again try to how they work, I decided to swap them just in case if the other one will stuck again. So this time I think it's gonna be working perfectly. Right? So all this bits and pieces, screws need to go back into its place
together, and then
and hopefully it's gonna work. Hopefully it's gonna be lifting the car. Alright, so now it's all been done. Now small test. Two pistons moving in their places, so everything should be fine. Brilliant. Yeah, it's working. So if I help you with this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell to be informed in the future when the next video will be released. So I wish you a pleasant day, evening, night, and I hope to see you again when my next video gonna be released. All the best for you guys, stay safe, and keep watching my next videos.